What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel, Total Technology. So, like last week, today as well, I'm gonna continue the Reportlab series. Like last week, we did tutorial 6, so this is going to be tutorial 7. And just let me give you one quick name. Like today's topic will be like drawing different types of objects. So in the first video, like for this week first video, like in tutorial like 7, I'll discuss about some basic objects like or diagrams or geometric figure like lines or circles and all. And after that, in probably another video, I'll complete the different drawing methods available within Reportlab. So in this video, like I'll be focusing on mostly on the lines. This cause lines are one of the most important object within the PDF. Like using line, you can draw any sort of complex geometrical figures. If you do not having any idea to write draw some squares or polygons and other thing, like using like lines, you can draw complex figure as well. And there are some other by default some other methods are available to draw those geometry figure like circles, polygons, squares, rectangles. But using lines, you can draw anything. So my primary focus of today's video will be on lines. Not primarily the complete focus. I'll be explaining you how you can use lines and whatever like other stuffs are required. So like drawing lines. So let me just highlight this thing like heading. Okay, done. So drawing a line in Reportlab is actually quite easy. Once you get used to it, you can actually create very complex drawings in your documents or PDFs, especially when you combine it with some Reportlab's other features. As I told you, like lines are one of the most important things. So method to draw lines is simply like line, like let's say, whenever you create some like PDF object or canvas object, and after that you have to just use it with dot line, so it will create the lines. But again, there are some other things are available or some other kind of syntax you have to follow. So I'll explain each and everything to you now. So let me just quickly like copy, or let me just do it from here, from Reportlab dot pdf gen import canvas. Okay, then from Reportlab .lead.units import image, from Reportlab.lead import colors. Okay, now we'll be creating some sort of PDF. Like let me just give one name. PDF 7 will be like canvas dot let me just be like this. Let me just give one name like okay, tutorial 7.pdf, and let me just bottom up equals to 0. Okay, so like the bottom up means it will be considered the origin will be from left hand side to top. And let me just now create some sort of like line. So let's say like pdf 7 dot line. Okay, so as I told you, we have to use this line only, and after that you have to just pass the coordinates. So the coordinate is like x1 y1 x2 y2. Now I'll explain you the significance of x1 y1 x2. X1 is the starting x coordinate, y1 the starting y coordinate, and x2 will be the ending end x coordinate x end. So if I do it like 0 and 5, and in coordinate will be the same line. In the same line I want this. So let's say I want this probably 205. Okay, so what I'll do, I will just I will just change this thing. Let's say y, and let me just give y equals to 5. Okay, so I think yes. So if I do it like for let's run this first and let's see what is happening. Okay, pdf 7 dot save. Okay, okay. So one line will be like drawn, and let's check it. Like it will be documents and tutorial 7. See, the line has been, so you can set the line width as well. There is some other things like let me just pdf dot set. I think it is set line width. I'm not sure. I even forgot. I'm not sure actually. mm, let's try with this thing. Let's give 1. Let's try it. I think pdf 7, this will be like this. Okay, I think now it will be kind of, it's a bit thicker. I'm not sure whether it is changing anything. It looks a bit thicker. Let's try with something else. Let's say 4, and let's run in this thing again. I think this is done. Yes. Okay. I'm not sure whether we can change this color in this way, or let's see. I think there is no object called color. I'm not sure. Let me just use the old method like pdf 7 dot. I think it was set fill color. I think set fill color. Let me try this thing. Well, let's try this thing. Let's check if something happens or not. Oh, nothing changed actually. Well, nothing is changing. So let me just quickly go through the documentation how to change the color. But I'm thinking just like uh, let me just keep this thing for comment. So let me explain this thing first. So by using this thing, we are actually drawing the line, and it is just giving the line width, and this is just one variable. So now what I'll do, I'll just keep this thing in a loop. Okay, so if for I in range, let's say 15, and this, and y equals to y plus, let's say 10. Okay, so there should be 15, there should be 15 lines actually. So let me check this thing first. Okay, so see, so now you can understand like how easy these things are, like to like represent or draw. Now let me just quickly just check the documentation to understand like if is there any way to create something or not. Okay, so I'm just thinking like if there any documentation available or not. Okay, I think I'm not sure. I'm just thinking, like, should I use this color? Like, fill equals to 0. I think this is as well not taking this thing. So need to use something different. Well, PDF line, this is not taking anything. I think we can try this thing. I think still the same. Nothing changed. Well, let's look into this thing from Google. Reportlab draw line color. I think something will be here. Not sure. Let me just try this thing. Okay. Well, let me try this thing. Oh, shit. I put in some other place. Line takes 5 positional argument but 6 given. No, this is also not working. Not sure. Let's check something else. I think this will be the one. Okay. Not sure whether this is the right one. Stroke color. Let's try this thing. Stroke color dot color. Think how they're giving the color. Stroke color equals to colors dot pink. Let's try this thing at least. Not sure. I think something happens. Still no change. Just give blue. No change. I'm not sure why this is not coming. Let me just pause this thing a bit. Well, guys, I just got the solution from the official documentation. Like it will be like set thing color RGB, and after that you have to just pass any RGB model 0.3, 0.33. Now it is going to be changed. So this is the thing, guys. I also forgot. Like we're just writing like what we're just drawing lines. So it will be one stroke. So you just set this line width. So I think now this is okay. One thing I'm not sure whether we can do it. Like think we can give some additional stroke. I believe. Like let's say let's give it line god. Okay, think this is not possible here, so that is why we are giving it. So whenever we are drawing like some sort of like polygon type of thing where we can feel something, that time it will be like required to use some sort. So like for this video, like if you see here, so let me just let me just do one thing like like last video. Let me just check something like well this is done, and let's say mm, just just trying to rotate at least for 45 degree. Let's see what happens. So guys, see there are some other different things, so probably just do it. I think I'm doing in a different direction. Yes, so it is actually out of this region, but you can see like you can create some custom color or something like that. So probably what I'll do, like y into 2. I think this is also, let's check this a bit. It is nowhere in the system, so actually it is beyond the screen. So for that thing, I believe we need to like give like y equals to something like from 50. So I just wanted to see like this thing. Not sure whether it will be coming or not. Yes, it's coming. So you can see uh, like some nice looking figures are coming, like this rectangle shape. So whatever design or other things you guys see in like mostly in PDFs and all, actually this is just using this sort of like complex line structure and all. So we'll discuss this in detail in the next video, but I just wanted to give you guys some basic idea of line, how to draw lines and shapes, and also that is why I just created this tutorial. But in the next video probably we'll be going to discuss more on the complex figure like circles, rectangles, polygons, and some other stuff as well. So this is very basic stuff, but again this will be very useful. So whenever you are creating some sort of table or you need some sort of heading or underline kind of thing, so line is required. So that time definitely will be requiring this sort of techniques. For normal reporting, like kind of executive report, if dashboard is required, then that time also these things are required. But again, you guys can use like what I say, like the report lab documentation or user guide to go through those details. There are multiple methods are available, so you guys can see, like I have done these things quite before, but not using this as frequently, but I mostly use in the dashboarding parts or like kind of table structure things in my daily life. So I forgot actually how to create those tools. And as well I have this will give me one example. I just develop one method, and inside that method everything is created, and develop that method probably 4 5 months back. So I actually whenever it's required, I just directly call that method from my actual code, and it is actually doing all these things, designing and structures. I forgot actually how to create the stock. So as I told you, like if you do not practice, you will forget definitely. But again, if you know how to find it and where to find it, definitely will get some idea. So the best place is the official user guide, and the next place is the Stack Overflow, and third is Reddit, and definitely on Twitter and GitHub. Those are actually the best place to get some sort of innovative ideas. Like into Twitter, like their official Twitter, like or pages everyday updates with some sort of innovation, like you can use this, you can use that, like those things, but those are very advanced things. So guys, hope to see you in the next video, and I hope you guys enjoying this tutorial for reporting. And definitely please try to do something by your own to create some sort of figure or some sort of small one page report, and let me know if it is like making any sense to you, or you guys wanted to or just want to have something different. I'll definitely try to help you. So that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video, probably today evening, I'm not sure. And also, those are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Please do give us like on our videos, and if possible share with your friends. We definitely want to reach like bigger audience. And one good thing, last week we have completed 1500, so this is a big milestone for us. And like with respect to like small YouTubers, yes, it's a big achievement. So thanks for you guys, thanks for your love and support. Keep doing this in future as well. I know definitely you guys will be doing this. So hope to see you in the next video. So this video is kind of like very basic stuff. I know this was like at the end it was kind of scattered and non well structured, but as I told you, like whatever tutorial I'm doing, I'm just doing it from my directly. Like I thought I like initially I in the morning I thought that I have to create this tutorial and just create it. So sorry for the delay and some mistakes and all, but this is how I work and all the programmers work. Like, well guys, then that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice weekend.